Today guys, I will show you how to create account on Chamet app. So to create account on Chamet app, you just need to follow some steps. Download first your Chamet app from Play Store or App Store. When you download it, just open it like this. And guys, then you just have to click here on Start. So right now you have to select your gender. Click confirm, choose your language, English, click confirm. It will take you to this page. Right now here, if you click here or here, as you see, you have created your account. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next tutorial.